How to change page number format. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your page numbers format. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you can see, this is my page number in my footer right now. So if I want to change its format, there are several ways I can do this. First is just changing its layout. Here you can see the footer. Here you can see the different formats available for it. So let's just head over to this option right here called insert. Now, if I choose this page number, this is the one that I choose. If I simply choose this one, it'll just go to the left. Again, it's really simple. If I just choose again the other side of the page, I can choose that very side as well. So if I select this and then head over to this home option, if I try to just change its layout, I mean its font, that should not work because page number does not really have any fonts available. But what you can do is there is this option right here, which again is just moving it left and right, and this option that is just adding this marker right here. So yeah, there is a lot you can do with editing your page numbers. What you can do is just set which side you want it on, what type of alignment you want, or what type in which side you want your page number of. And it's really easy to do as well. Just go to this page number option right here. If you want it on the top, you can choose the top. If you want it on the bottom, you can choose the bottom. You can choose the page margin. This is not really the number, but yeah, these are the only formats that you're gonna get on your page numbers, and that's how you change them as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.